If your spigot and garden hose leaks at its connection point like this, or your nozzle leaks at the connection point to the hose, chances are you need to replace the washer to restore the seal. We will start by inspecting the nozzle connection to see if the washer is dry rotted or, in my case, missing. Replacement washers like these can be had very inexpensively, as this entire bag of 10 cost me less than $5. Press one of the washers in by hand a third or halfway. Then use a tightening motion to reattach the nozzle to the hose and firmly seat the washer. Turn on the water to test, and as you can see, the hose is no longer leaking around the connection. Here is a closer look at the washer completely seated within the nozzle's connection. Correcting my particular leak at the spigot is just as simple. We'll seat the washer partially by hand and then press it fully into place by reattaching and tightening the hose. When we kick the water back on, look at that! No more leaks and no more puddles. I hope this video has proved helpful, and if you like what you see and would like to see more content, give this a thumbs up and subscribe if not already done. I'll see you in the next one.